Hey, let's take a look at the new cabin for the pop-up homestead. Let's see what's happening in here. Oh boy. This is a whole lot of something going on. Well, this has all been moved over. The desk. See the hardwood that I did before? Carpet. Right. So we got electricals being done. You can see electrical. And then looky there. So we are putting in another loft that's similar to that one. It's over the porch. And this one is going to be over the, this is going to be a bedroom or a bed area. And then we're actually going to frame in and build out a bathroom space right here. So that'll be more clear once it's put in. Getting ready to do that tonight. So yeah, it's starting to change in here. You come back here, take a look. You can see it's going to be a nice space up there for storage. So might as well use some of that vertical space, and we still have a nice open vaulted space in here. So okay, just another little spot. Moving on. See you later. Thank you for stopping by. See ya.